Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I drink tea several times a day, and I love having an electric kettle so that I can boil it quickly and have it just ready for me. I think this portable electric kettle from Haspsso is really perfect, not just for use at home when you want to boil a small amount of water, but also when you're traveling. So I hate it when I go to a hotel and I want to have tea because oftentimes all they have is a coffee maker. And even if I run the water through that to make it hot, it still has a slight coffee taste to it. And that is not my favorite. So I love having this with me so that I can boil clean water without having any traces of anything else in it. Plus I know exactly where it's been and who's used it. The LCD display is really easy to see. Now this will tell you exactly how hot the water is getting. I love that the cord fits right inside the kettle. I just dry out the inside of it with a towel and then fit it in there. It just makes everything look so neat and organized. And of course the color on this, one of my favorites. It's like a mint green and it's so cute and adorable. I really love this electric kettle. It's been perfect for me, and that's my point of view.